You know
God.
2/3 of adults have plaque. To maintain healthy gums, it's important to remove plaque daily. If left over time, plaque buildup can lead to gum disease, which is a major cause of gum recession. Gum recession is usually irreversible and becomes more of a problem as you age. Listerine Total Care is proven to significantly reduce more plaque than just brushing alone, helping to keep gums healthy and contribute to preventing gum recession. So don't just brush. Use a Listerine Total Care today.
This has been Many Facts for Boost.
B. Ako B. Big. Wait. Yes, 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 yes.